Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Lilienfield from Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine. Today I want to talk about longevity. Many of our patients come to the office looking for guidance on how to live a long, healthy life. So longevity isn't just about a long life, but it's a long, healthy life. What are some of the obstacles to a long, healthy life? We have heart attack, stroke, complications of diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. How do we screen for these? Blood tests, lipid panel. ApoB is a very important carrier for cholesterol out of the liver into the vascular system that sets up atherosclerosis. Everyone should be screened for Lp(a) or lipoprotein A, which is an independent risk factor for heart disease. Hemoglobin A1C reflects our blood sugar over a 3-month period of time. We also can offer a free continuous glucose monitor that gives the feedback of how your activity and your food intake affects your blood sugar. Some of the new kids on the block are the Gallery, which is a blood test that tests for 50 different occult cancers. Of course, we don't want to neglect the typical cancer screening such as pap smear, colonoscopy, and PSA for prostate-specific antigen for prostate cancer, and also CAT scans for patients that have had a history of smoking. We can also order a CAT scan for calcium score. This reflects plaque in the coronary arteries and gives us some very good information. We offer genetic testing, 3x4, which gives you guidance on what things to really concentrate on for your personal health. What are the 5 tactics to combat these diseases? Exercise, nutrition, sleep, mental health, pharmaceuticals, and nutraceuticals. Exercise is by far the most effective way to improve longevity. Strength training, cardiovascular training, and stability training. We have an excellent nutritionist who can lead you through a healthy, low inflammation diet. We offer a home sleep study that can give you your sleep architecture and rule in or out sleep apnea, which is very important to diagnose and treat. Our psychotherapist has many tools to help you with your stress levels, such as heart rate variability, which induces parasympathetic nervous system, the opposite of fight and flight. In addition, she also offers EMDR, which is used for anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress syndrome. Pharmaceuticals are sometimes necessary. The GLP-1 agonists, the Ozempic type medications, have been very useful for selected individuals with obesity, with comorbidities such as heart disease, diabetes, fatty liver, etc. So that is something that we can offer as well. What are some of the unique treatments that we offer at Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine? We do IV vitamins, we do intravenous NAD, which is a coenzyme that will improve cellular function and improve mitochondrial function as well for athletic performance, for energy production, for cognitive issues, for sleep, headaches, other chronic illnesses. So that's very useful. We've also recently added cerebrolysin, which is a peptide that has research shows it's effective in repair of the brain and traumatic brain injury and post-stroke syndrome, and shows great promise in treatment of dementia. We offer platelet-rich plasma, which is using your own platelets that have growth factors to repair tissues, joints, hair restoration, and sexual function. And in women, that's called the O-shot. We also offer exosomes, which are extracellular vesicles from stem cells that have components that are very powerful in repairing tissue, using also for skin rejuvenation, and can be used intravenously. Hormone testing, we're very adept at, and we can treat to balance your hormones with creams, gels, patches, injections, and pellets. So these are some of the diagnostic studies we can do and treatments that we have that are unique at Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine to enhance your longevity. Thank you.